Remove the contents of the kit. You will have access to written instructions and videos on how to complete your order. Scan the QR code on the welcome card. Enter your first name, last name, and date of birth. Your kit is now activated. You can now begin the collection process. For a successful collection, you must follow these very important instructions. Make sure to drink a full glass of water 30 minutes before collecting your sample. You must take a hot shower before the collection process. This stimulates blood flow for the collection. Wash your hands in warm water for 1 minute. Swing your arms for 15 to 30 seconds. Make sure to be standing with your arms straight during the collection process. Choose your ring or pinky finger on your non-dominant hand. Clean the side of your finger with an alcohol pad. Open the cap to the blood microtube. Remove the lid from the lancet. Puncture the side of your chosen finger. Wipe the first droplet of blood with the gauze. Stimulate blood flow by milking your finger. Collect the blood in the microtube. Fill to the top of the 0.5 milliliter line. Close the cap tightly until you hear the click sound. Tip: if blood flow stops, please repeat the process with another finger. Turn the tube upside down 10 times to mix the sample. Write down the date and time of collection on the biohazard bag. Insert the microtube in the biohazard bag. Insert biohazard bag into the FedEx return envelope. Find a FedEx drop-off location or schedule a FedEx pickup within 12 hours of your last collection. Thank you for letting Vibrant Labs be part of your wellness journey.